Hi guys, I want to show you my issues with Aura, especially Armory Crate, and now let's have a look. So this is Armory Crate and this is my setup in Aura Sync. And as you can see, my computer is built with a green color loop, water cooling color loop. So I want some green effects to happen, and yeah, so the presets here are possible and working. So I can change the colors here, save this, let's change it to green, computer is green, but I don't want the whole computer in green. I just want to have some highlights with green and not the whole thing. So you can really do this in here because it's always changing the whole thing. It's changing the motherboard, the addressable header and the GPU, so that's not really what I wanted to have. So as you can see, those modes are working. Can change those, but yeah, not really what I wanted, because I want to change the motherboard to a specific color and so on. Yeah, and now let's have a look at Aura Creator, because this software should do this, exactly what I wanted, but you will see it's not really working. So let's go in here, click here, click on the motherboard, create a new layer, rename this to motherboard and create a layer for the LED strip. So, and now let's test this. Choose static color, copy this a few times, change the color to yellow and so on, green, light blue, dark blue, and make the same here, red, copy, yellow, green, blue, pink, and now let's test this and click play. And as you can see, the computer stays completely dark, nothing changes. My memory is a Corsair, so I don't want to change those. I like those effects. But as you can see, nothing changes on the Asus stuff. Great. So the only two colors that work are red and yellow, red and white on my system. So when I change this to completely white, you can see it works. But as soon as I changes the color, it goes dark. Cool. So now I want to show you just a little thing I found out. On static you can't choose red, as I showed you. So red is not possible, static red. But I found out a preset pulse and red, still dark. But as soon as you pick random color, it's random pulsing. And the little trick I found out is when you push the color picker here and push it to the left, it's red and only red. So let's try to change it to green, because my water loop is green. Still red. Change it to blue. Still red. Woohoo, great. Now let's make the same with the addressable RGB LEDs. Turn the motherboard off so you can see it better. LED strip, red. Stays dark. Great. Change this to 100% white. White. Pulsing. The only color that works. And same as before, when you choose random color, it works. And when you want it red, do the same thing as before. Now it's pulsing only red. But I want green, and it's not possible. So maybe change it to another preset, rainbow. In rainbow you can change specific colors. Turn it back on, turn the LED strip back. As you can see, rainbow is not working. Rainbow here in Aura Sync, rainbow, it works. Choose this. So what the fuck? Let's get back to Aura Creator. Get back on the start, click rainbow, and here again a nice trick. Click on this pink, pick white, and now it's white and red. But I have blue, green and all those colors in here, but it's only rainbow with white and red. What the fuck? Change maybe something here, red and black, stays dark. And all the other presets the same. Yeah, great piece of software. Yeah, that's it. Now I want to show you, it's always the same. If you choose red, nothing happens. If you choose two colors, nothing happens. If you choose random color, it's doing something. If you push this one to the left again, play, and it's only red. I can't change this shit little color to green. It's not possible. It's always red. Great. I hate it. Now I want to show you my only cool preset I created. No, don't save this one. So now let's have a look at this. Click play. That's the only cool thing I can get this Aura Creator to work. And it's red and white, and yeah, I want it green and not blue and not purple and so on. I don't want the rainbow effect, I want it green and white. And why can't I choose just the CPU water block and just the CPU fans and so on? I can only choose the main board, and the whole thing is just for the main board. And where the heck is my GPU? My 1080 Ti Asus GPU isn't here. I can't change it at all. Yeah, what the fuck? So kinda useless, this Aura Creator. Close this shit, and yeah, I only can change colors one at a time. It's always green, and the whole computer always is the same color. I can change different colors. What a piece of shit. And yeah, I wrote Asus support, and they wrote me back and said I should completely uninstall the Aura software. I did that. I reinstalled it, and then the Aura Sync here didn't even appear. So it looked like I have no Aura hardware. Great. The only thing to fix it was, after 4 hours of researching and trial and error, I did a complete system recovery, and then I got my Aura back, I got my update center back, and yeah, before with the reinstall nothing appeared here, it was a blank page here. And now the only problem I left here is this something missing, so I can't change the colors on boot up any longer. I can't change things here. I can't change the LED strip, how many LEDs it has, and so on. All things are here and work, but here I get this. Yeah, and now I don't want to change anything again because it's kind of working and I want it to stay as it is, but it's not as I want it. So kind of shit software, shit Aura. Yeah. Thanks for nothing, Asus. See ya.